everyone, it's Dr. Kumra. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to talk a little bit about some at-home remedies for simple emergencies that may happen with braces. So what we have over here is our little model with braces. And if we get super focused here, we see that there is a little pokiness in this wire. The wire's a little long on this part. What happens when we first put the braces on is the teeth start straightening themselves out, and the wire has a little bit of a tendency to poke out of the back as the teeth get into a better position. So a good way to look at this is the braces are working, but what happens between visits is you might need to do some at-home remedies. In our goodie bag that we gave you at the beginning of the braces journey, we probably gave you a little pencil. Any simple pencil with an eraser will do here. And what you can do is gently get back there at an angle and try to push the wire back into place or bend it in a direction that isn't irritating the cheek. Another thing we can do is, this is orthodontic wax. When it's needed, this is our best friend because we can take this, take a little piece. This whole thing should last you for the entire braces process. Take a little bit of this, warm it up between your fingers, and then wherever anything is bothering you, you can place it to provide a little bit of comfort until you can get in the office. All the stuff I'm telling you guys, if it's comfortable, if it's easy, if it's convenient for you to get into the office, our door is always open. Just give us a call beforehand. Otherwise, if it's not as convenient, you can do these at-home remedies. Another thing we can do is we can take anything that'll clip. Scissors, nail clipper. Please do not do this on yourself. Have a friend do it, have a parent do that. It's even better if you have a parent do it. Wherever you have a comfortable access, it doesn't have to be on the long part. You can clip right in front just so you're mitigating the situation until you can come in the office. But you can go ahead and clip and remove the excess so that you can get through the next couple of days until you can get in the office. And that's it, guys. Just wanted to thank you for your time and watching. I hope everyone is safe and well. If you need us, please do not hesitate to give my office a call. We're here for you guys. Thanks.